What's the biggest change you've been seeing lately as we've started embracing AI? Like, what is it actually in reality? I could talk about it from the lens of how we see things evolving, right? Everything's going to be agents and everyone's going to use MCP or whatever, but what's actually reality today?
Yeah, absolutely. And I would say, I followed into or fell into the hype very early this year when I started to get my hands on, the cursors and the Claude codes of the world of, oh wow, this stuff is great for, someone that's technical but didn't have the background to go through and learn a coding language or do it for multiple years. So started to see the power very early on. And I'd say kind of where I ended up is that I am a very big advocate for AI, but I think that there is a difference between what's hype and then what's real. And kind of understanding that through both a journey that we were doing at Live Oak when it comes to, how can we modernize our tech stack? How can we make use of AI within the organization? Our CIO is really pushing, how can we use AI to get kind of just operational efficiencies, automate stuff across the board. So it kind of started out as like a personal exploration around, okay, well, what is AI? I'm someone that, likes to hyper focus on certain things here or there. So I don't know if it's the neurodivergent in me or not, but I ended up, diving deep into the LLM world and just trying to understand what AI is. It started to, build out agents and understand the event loop and kind of like see what everything looked like under the hood, like what is actually happening. That's then, transitioned over to now building agents within the team, and where we're seeing the immediate value